Imagine the sound of a squeaky toy. The sharp, high-pitched noise it produces might just be a mild distraction to us humans, but to dogs, it is utterly irresistible. This captivating allure often sparks curiosity. What exactly makes the squeaky sound so compelling to our canine companions? To understand this phenomenon, we must delve into a dog's ancestral roots. Dogs, as we know them today, descend from wolves. These predators relied heavily on their keen senses to hunt and survive. The yelp of a squeaky toy can mimic the noises made by injured or frightened prey. For many dogs, this sound triggers an instinctive response, harking back to the days when their ancestors hunted small, squealing animals for survival. Therefore, that squeak isn't just a noise, it's a call to action rooted deeply in their primal instincts. Interestingly, dogs are born with an exceptional sense of hearing. They can detect frequencies from about 40 Hz to 60,000 Hz, which surpasses the human hearing range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This means sounds that are barely audible to us can be overwhelmingly loud for dogs. The high-pitched nature of a squeak falls well within their optimal hearing range, making it even more irresistible. But it's not just about instinct and acute hearing. There's also a psychological aspect at play. The act of making a toy squeak can be intensely satisfying for a dog, akin to solving a puzzle or winning a game. It provides mental stimulation and encourages engagement, aiding their cognitive development. The immediate auditory feedback when they bite into a squeaky toy can also be highly rewarding, reinforcing the behavior each time they hear that delightful squeak. Moreover, the squeaky toy acts as a surrogate for social interaction. Dogs are social animals that thrive on interaction, whether with humans or other animals. In the absence of playmates, squeezing a toy offers a similar dynamic, where they control the noise and, in turn, feel a sense of companionship through the interaction. While these factors present a wholesome picture of amused pets, it's noteworthy that not every dog exhibits the same enthusiasm for squeaky toys. Like humans, dogs have individual personalities and preferences. Some may be drawn to other activities, while others can become overly fixated on the sound, necessitating a balance between play and rest. In conclusion, the squeaky sound resonates deeply with dogs due to a fascinating combination of instinctual allure, auditory sensitivity, and rewarding interaction. These playful noises don't merely entertain, they connect our pets to their primal past, satisfy their mental needs, and reinforce social bonding, ensuring they remain the happy, loyal companions we adore. As we toss another squeaky toy across the room, we are reminded of the complex layers that drive our pets' behaviors, connecting the modern-day household fixture back to nature. Created with MadeWithAI.video.